Hello everyone! Welcome back to Moonlit Meadows Tales. Today, we are going to have a super fun English quiz about and the. Can you choose the correct article? Can you get all 50 questions correct? Are you ready to challenge your brain?
Ready, go!
Do you want snack for your tea time? Can you pick the right one? I saw dog in the park. Try to choose carefully. Sun is shining bright. Guess which one fits. Did you get the correct answer? She wants orange. You've got this. Trust your thinking. He has green ball. You can do it. Was your answer correct? Look at moon tonight. Pick the right article. I need umbrella because it's raining. Great thinking. There is cat under the tree. Try your best. Stars twinkling in the sky. Pause if you need more time. She ate egg for breakfast. Good job! I bought pencil box. Can you find it? Flowers smell so sweet. Did you pick the correct word? We saw elephant at the zoo. Well done. He wants toy car as a birthday gift. Nice effort. River flows fast. I ate ice cream yesterday. Awesome work. She has red hat. Can you spot it? Mountains are tall. He wants egg sandwich. Find the right choice. I saw bird in the tree. Sky is blue today. Great job! She drank orange juice. He bought book from shop. Look at rainbow in sky. Try to choose. He is honest man. Fantastic. She found coin on floor. Moon looks bright tonight. Can you guess it? Can you pass me salt, please? Don't be shy. Pick the one you like best. I saw rabbit in garden. You're doing great. I saw eagle soaring above the mountains. Desmond ate apple pie. Nice work! I have backpack. Sun rises in the east every morning. He wants ice cream cone. Was your answer correct? Children are playing in the backyard. Hands up if you know the answer. He is best doctor in this hospital. Jimmy made error in his calculation. It was honor to meet the president. Let's find out if you made the right choice. Excellent. Water in this lake is very clear. It's okay to guess. Every try helps you learn. I need hour to finish this report. Fantastic effort. Elephant has a long trunk. Would you like an orange or banana? Let's see who guessed it right this time. I love movie we saw last night. That is unusual painting. Please close door when you leave. No pressure, just try your best. Mervik wants to become actor one day. She lives in small town by the sea. He bought used car at an affordable price. Nice try. Let's keep learning together. He drove through underground tunnel. Ready to check our answer? He is European traveler. Amazing job, everyone! You've just completed the articles quiz. Tell us in the comments, how many questions did you get right? Remember, every mistake helps you learn and grow. Keep practicing and you will become an English superstar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Moonlit Meadows and share with your friends and family. See you in the next fun learning adventure.